and that should reset the performance service on this truck. And to confirm that, we're gonna turn it on, and we have system okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2007, it's a Dodge Ram 3500 with the 6.7 diesel Cummins, and today I'm going to show you how can you reset the performance service light on this truck. So the light comes on for two reasons. The one, it could be your crankcase filter being clogged, and the other one, it could be you have a problem with the EGR. So if you replace already the crankcase filter on the front of your truck, let me just take you really quick over there and show you where it's located at. All right, so your filter is located under this cover right here. You have to remove 8mm bolts around it. You lift it and the filter is gonna be under. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. All right, so as you can see, this is the filter you're gonna see under, and this one is the original one. The reason I know it's the original, it's because it says Cummins right here, Cummins and use patent. So this filter was the original one, and as you can see, let me just show you really quick, it has a ton of miles, and it has never been replaced, or probably it was replaced, but who knows. So this is the part number, Dorman, that you're gonna need for this truck. It's right here. And pretty much once you install this into your truck, you want to do the service reset on this, and I'm gonna show you really quick how you do it. All right, so to do that reset, we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the truck, we're gonna open the switch, and what you're gonna do here is you're gonna press the brake pedal twice and then the gas pedal twice too. So this, let me do it really quick. Close switch, open, 1 2, and gas, 1 2, and that should reset the performance service on this truck. And to confirm that, we're gonna turn it on, and we have system okay. So this is pretty much how you reset the service light on this truck, guys. I still have the oil service required, and I will show you that on another video, or you can watch another video on YouTube on how to do it. I believe it's 3 times the gas pedal press, but we're gonna leave that for another video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the information. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.